Charlotte Vancouver has been making waves online, with mixed reviews leaving potential buyers wondering whether this store is truly legit or just another questionable online retailer. While some customers report receiving their orders without issues, others have raised concerns about delayed shipping times, inconsistent product quality, and difficulty reaching customer service. The website itself appears professionally designed, but deeper investigation reveals a lack of transparency, with limited company details and no clear return policy, which can be a red flag for online shoppers. Some reviews suggest that the store operates like a typical drop-shipping business, meaning products may take longer to arrive and may not always match the descriptions or images shown online. Additionally, customer service experiences seem to vary, with some users claiming responsive assistance while others struggle to get refunds or even a reply. Payment security is another aspect to consider, as there are no major certifications displayed, which raises questions about how safely financial information is handled. Overall, Charlotte Vancouver remains in a gray area, not outright a scam, but also not entirely reassuring for buyers looking for a smooth and risk-free shopping experience. Whether it's worth the risk depends on your comfort level with online shopping, but caution is always advised when dealing with stores that lack strong customer protection measures.